was reading about Yerovan's reign, and
about whom? I didn't
there
get
is
this. Well, sorry.
Yerovam
Yerovam,
ben Nevat.
Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm.
And it says in the 18th year of his reign, there was somebody called Aviyah, also known as Aviyah, Rehovam's son,
Okay.
and became king of Yehudah.
Mm-hmm.
So my question is, why this son of that is from the house of Yehudah has the same name as the son of Yerovam ben Nevat that got sick? Is there any Kabbalistic explanation why they have the same name?
Is it exactly the same spelling? I don't think so.
I was reading, and it seems that this is exactly the same name. Yerovam had a son that got sick and was called Aviyah, and also the other Aviyah, but it's from different house. One is from the north, and the other is from the south. And I was wondering if there is a mystery or some explanation there.
I'm not sure. We have to look into that. I mean, it's a Jewish name. It's like some names were popular, right? So today we don't use these names, but maybe back then it was popular. But some people make like confuse. One is Yerovam, right? Yerovam ben Nevat, right? That's a bad one.
And another case that is very, I had curiosity why his name is about the mother of Yerovam. I think it's called Seduah. And there is another mother of a child of Yehudah that is called Seduah with a youth. And also I found like the same thing here. So I was wondering, is there any Kabbalistic explanation behind this?
I don't know. Maybe I am not aware of this. When I learned, we just learned with basic commentary, and just to get the story on what we can learn from the story, but not. I'm sure somebody comments, but I have not seen it.
Also, does it mean something that the capital of Armenia is called Yerevan because the name of the king Yerovam sounds very similar?
Similar to what? I didn't get. So.
The capital of Armenia
Armenia.
is Yerevan. And King Yerovam and Armenia was one of the places of the tribes.
No, the capital is the last letter is N, and here is
that's
M.
The only difference. But it's very similar.
I'm not sure how they spelled in Hebrew Yerovam. I have no idea.
Because Armenia was one of the places where some of the lost tribes went there before they scattered all over the place. So I was wondering if somebody ever wrote an article if there is some relation between the capital of Armenia being Yerevan and the king Yerovam, that is like the father of the kingdom of the north.
10 tribes. I don't know. I have no idea.
My last question for today is who is the Melech that rules over the land of Israel, given that even living in Eretz Israel is considered being in Galus? Is it the Roman ministering angel or the Pope? Another related question to this is, would be the end of Galus similar to the end of Galus during King Cyrus?
King Cyrus? What is the connection? The King Cyrus. Yeah, go ahead.
The King Cyrus, I think he made an edict to allow Jews to return and build the temple. But in this case, since the foundation of the state of Israel, there is no official document that says that Jews can go there and rebuild the temple. It's like more a political thing, but there is no clear indication that they have authority over the land.
If Jews have authority over the land or not, I mean, we have from Torah, from HaShem, we have authority over the land. So we don't need the permissions of any government to do that. So in the case of Koresh, these people were part of his nation, so they cannot just in some sense like subservient people. They cannot just leave, get up and leave and do whatever they want. And plus, it was his territory. He conquered the Eretz Yisrael, so he would, in order for you to build anything on his territory, he has to give you permission. And in order for people to live, he has to give you permission. That's why it was like that when Mashiach comes. We don't need to ask anybody. Right? We live in, we stay in, we building, not building. I mean, of course, we're building. We don't need anybody's permission. Hashem's permission is enough. So that's
I
that's
mean,
the
because
difference,
it is said that the really who rules over the land today is like they say it's the United States, because this was said by in a Shiur by Rabbi Navat that there is nothing that Israelis can do today without the authorization from Washington. For example, attacking Iran, they cannot do that. So it's like everything that is made in Eretz Israel is subject to authorization from United States. So I was thinking maybe that means that really who rules the land today, it's the ministering angel of United States, which I think is Isa, the Samek man.
No. It's okay. Even that they tell Israel what to do. I don't know how true. Like always tell, not always say. But that's a different story. It has nothing to do. We're talking about Messianic era. So when this government is going to get destroyed, all of the Rishaim. So nobody is going to ask United States. Nobody is going to ask this left liberal government. Then they're not going to exist at that time.
It's because also a friend of mine was asking me what's happening in Israel, and I explained that to him that there is a country that's called Iran, that uses terrorists to attack Israel, and he was amazed that Israel was attacking the terrorists, but the ones who gave the order to attack, Israel was not attacking. So I was wondering why Israel is not attacking Iran, that is all the time saying that they're going to destroy Israel. What is stopping Israel to attack the bigger fish?
I don't know. I mean, I have no idea. That's that their politics. They do whatever they want. They're not going to according to the Torah law. So it's clearly. So Torah law, if somebody is threatening you kill them. You don't wait. You don't negotiate. You just come and kill them whenever you want without any warnings. That's the Torah law.
So to end this question, is this happening when Mashiach comes? Then the government today is going to be displaced, or even
all of them, most of them are Rishaim. Like most of them, they're going to be destroyed for all of the bad decrees that they did to religious people, to Torah. Religious people and Torah, it's one and the same. for allowing the gay marriage, all this conversion stuff, garbage.
Okay, thank you very
You're
much,
welcome.
Yehudah.
You're welcome. Okay.